In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a header transparent on Wix. Whether you're customizing your website for aesthetic appeal or to match your branding, knowing how to adjust the transparency of your header can be a valuable skill. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that even those of you who are new to website design can follow along with ease. Let's start by navigating to the Wix website editor. If this is your first time doing so, don't worry, simply log into your Wix account and head over to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the website you want to edit and click on it. This will open up the Wix editor where the magic happens. It's a powerful tool that allows you to implement various creative ideas, and today we're going to focus on modifying the header. Once you're in the editor, find the header section of your website. Headers are typically located at the top part of your site and usually contain navigation elements or branding material like your logo. Click on the header to select it. Selecting the header is crucial because it allows Wix to display all the customization options available for this section. Feeling confident? Great, now move on to the next step. You'll notice a set of options appear, one of which is Change Background. Click this button. Changing the background of your header is a straightforward way to make it either stand out or seamlessly blend with the rest of your website. When you click on Change Background, a menu will pop up with several options, including colors and image backgrounds. Next, direct your attention to the color option. Go ahead and click on Color to reveal the color palette. This palette offers a range of colors and allows you to select the perfect shade that fits your style. But don't get overwhelmed by the choices. There's a simple trick that will help you achieve that transparent look we're aiming for. Now find the white color on the palette. This isn't about making your header stark white, it's the starting point for adjusting transparency. Click on it and you'll notice a transparency slider. Dragging this slider to the left will start to introduce transparency, blending your header more with the background content, and just like that you've made your Wix header transparent. Always preview your changes to ensure they appear as expected on different devices, and make adjustments if needed. Remember, a transparent header can add a sleek and modern touch to your website, but balance is key. It should still be functional and readable for users. That wraps up our tutorial on making your Wix header transparent. With these steps you can further customize your website and make it truly yours. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.